Hey everyone, on this week's Monday with Megan Tech Tip, I'm going to give you guys a great resource if you think you got a phishing email but you want to do a little homework to make sure. So I'm in sales, and I'm sure many of you on this emailing list are also in sales or a position where when you get an email where someone is asking you to participate in an RFP, you may not always be familiar with the person reaching out to you. So here's a great way to do a little homework and determine if the email you have is legit or phishing. So there is a website called ICANN, and you can actually search the creation date of a URL. So simply copy and paste the URL from the email, and then you can search it and see the creation date. For example, if a city reaches out to me about getting all new IT hardware and that URL was just created in the last 6 months, red flag. That tells me that that is a phishing email and I should not click on anything, and I'm going to delete that email right away. Another thing that you can do with ICANN is actually see where the registration took place. So you can look on Google Maps and see, would it make sense that the person from the city, in Cleveland is creating that URL from India or Pakistan or anywhere else outside of the US? Doesn't make sense. Another red flag. So this is a really good tool. I find it super helpful. I'm sure there's other websites similar to ICANN, but that's my go-to. I hope this tech tip is super helpful. For more information, you guys know the drill. Subscribe to the YouTube channel or reach out to me directly. Have a great week, everyone.